Hi everyone, in this question we're going to draw the graph of a sine function. The function is y equals 5 sine x on 2 plus 1, and we'll draw that for the domain negative 2 pi to 2 pi. One approach that we can use to start drawing the graph is to consider the general form of the sine function. So if you have y equals a sine bx plus c, the amplitude is a, the period is 2 pi divided by b, and c is the vertical shift. If you didn't want to draw the graph, we can easily calculate these three values. In this case, we'll use the general form to help draw the graph as well. So if we're given y equals 5 sine x on 2 plus 1, the vertical shift is this value here, 1. And we draw that on the graph as the line y equals 1. So we start with the vertical shift. The amplitude of the graph is the coefficient of sine, which is 5. And that is the distance between the axis of the graph and the top of the graph. That will be 5 units. And the axis and the bottom of the graph, that will also be 5 units. That's the amplitude of the graph. And the period is calculated as 2 pi divided by a half, which is 4 pi. So let's try and draw the graph. What we'll do, we'll choose some x values to do that. So if x equals negative 2 pi, when we substitute that value into our original function, we get 1. When x equals negative pi, we'll get y equals negative 4. When x equals 0, we'll get 1. When x equals pi, we'll get 6. And when x equals 2 pi, we get 1. Now we've drawn the points, we can draw our graph like that. In part B, we wanted the amplitude of the graph. That was already calculated, which is 5. And the period was also calculated, which was 4 pi. The period is 4 pi, which is the distance from negative 2 pi to 2 pi. So this is your period. This is 4 pi. That is one cycle of your function. Thanks for watching.